Hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am back yet again. The great news is that Resident Evil Village is finally cracked by Empress after 2 months. You no longer need to wait for Capcom to remove Denuvo now. You can download the game now. Empress made it clear at a certain point she wasn't interested to crack Resident Evil Village. But due to popular demands the game is finally cracked. The Denuvo version for this is version 11 and Capcom Anti-Tamper 3. This is the first V11 cracked game. There was a total of 5 beta crack tests, and the final beta crack was successful. And that Empress mentioned there would be a lot of testing to ensure the game ran smooth. The next cracked game is Star Wars Battlefront 2 with all DLCs. Even though it was free recently by Origin. As the ultimate contributor requested it. Yes, Empress will crack games if the ultimate contributor tells her which game to crack now. And as I've theorized, that the game will get cracked in July. It just became into a reality. But that is it guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.